this machine, we're going to thread the upper, and then we're going to thread the bobbin, and then we're going to start sewing. The spool of thread is going to slide onto this piece, which lifts out. You want the thread to go on so that it is coming off clockwise. Pull the end cap off, slide the spool on. This end cap is a little bit large, you could probably use a smaller one. And then you're going to follow, there are actually numbers on here that you can follow. This thread is going to go around this little black piece, sort of slides underneath it, and come right down this slot. You can see there's a number 2 here. You're going to go under and back up. Right here you have this metal lever. You can see the wheel on the right, the manual wheel will make that go up and down. That's also making the needle go up and down. There's a slot on the underside of it, and the thread is going to pass through and in there from the right to the left, and you should be able to feel or hear it kind of pop into that as you do that. It comes down the front, and then right here there's a little hook above the needle, and the thread is going to slide in there, and the last step is just to thread the needle. There we go. And depending on which presser foot you're using, this will look a little bit different, but you're going to slide the thread in that slot in the presser foot. When you thread the needle, it goes from front to back, and pull your thread all the way through and leave a tail at the back. And then that's your upper threading. Here is your bobbin for this drop-in bobbin case, and this is the lid to the bobbin case, and you can see it actually has some instructions printed on there. So when you drop the bobbin in, you want the thread to be coming off the bobbin to the left. And then there's an arrow here as well to show you the thread is going to go around this little hook here and then come out here. I'm going to slide the lid back on, and now I'm going to use the wheel on the right hand side to lower the needle, catch the bobbin thread, and pull it up. So I'm going to hold the upper thread slightly taut, use the wheel, turning it toward myself, to lower the needle, raise the needle. You can actually see that thread pass over the bobbin here. Now as I pull this, it's going to pull that bobbin thread up. You may need to sweep a finger or a tool under there to catch it. There's your bobbin thread. You can see the bobbin turning as it pulls. Leave yourself a tail. You now have both upper and lower threads. Leave yourself a tail and pull those to the back, and then you're ready to get started. You can slide your fabric underneath the presser foot, and always remember to lower your presser foot before you start sewing. There's a lever toward the back that will lower and raise your presser foot. And this button right over here is going to allow you to reverse. So we're going to take a few stitches forward and then use that to go back. When you get to the end here, your needle's lowered into the fabric. To raise it up, you're going to use the wheel on the right, turn toward myself, raise the needle, raise the presser foot, pull your fabric out, and you can use the blade on the side to snip your threads.